What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video we are talking about affiliate marketing with JVZoo, and this is a brand new affiliate marketing network that I really haven't talked about at all in these videos, right? And so we're going to be talking about how to promote offers on here. I'm going to be showing you where you can get the traffic, how to promote. I'm going to be talking about best practices. We're going to discuss why you should be looking into this particular network. And so you're going to learn a ton of stuff in this video. So make sure you watch the whole video. If you're not sure about anything, ask a question. On this channel, we talk about affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, make money online. So make sure you subscribe. And the rules we have here are very, very simple. If you like the video, smash the like button so that I know and then I can make more similar videos. If you don't like the video, just leave a comment telling me why you don't like it, and that way I know how to improve for next time. All right, so with that being said, let's get into the video. All right, so here we are at JVZoo's main kind of homepage, and this is another affiliate network. It's similar to ClickBank, it's similar to Warrior Plus, DigiPlus that I've made videos previously about. And so the good thing about JVZoo is that you can basically, there are offers that you can promote on here that aren't available anywhere else pretty much. So you're getting exclusivity, you're getting access to offers that you can't really promote in ClickBank and things like that. And a lot of these offers that you're gonna find here are offers that are about making money online. They're about affiliate networking, they're about affiliate marketing, they're about entrepreneurship, they're about, all these things. And what I really like about this particular niche is that people that are interested in affiliate marketing, entrepreneurship, making money online, they're very motivated to make money. So this is not like some entertainment niche where people are just passing their time. People are very motivated, and as a result, it's very easy to convert different offers. And so let's go into kind of the dashboard and let me show you how it works and what kind of offers that you can pick. And so here I am in the dashboard, and this is something that you're going to see once you're logged in. And let me talk a little bit about the kind of offers you're going to pick and the kind of offers you want to work with. So the most important thing you have to understand is that there's a lot of offers here, and you have to understand how to kind of filter the right offers and the wrong offers. And so on the left-hand side, this column, we have the name of the offer, the person who is promoting it, different basically tags that are given to them, right? We have premium seller, featured, top 10% ranked seller, products in the funnel, and endorsements, right? So this is very important, right? Because if you see like top 10% ranked seller, you know that this is a fairly, active offer. This is not an offer that, was started 10 years ago and nothing happened since. And so as you can see, the launch date is almost 6 years ago, or more than 6 years ago now. And so you can basically look at the funnel. There's a lot of data here, right? You can look at a funnel here. You can look at a products in the funnel here, and you can basically see what else are they promoting, how they're doing with it, the commission you're getting, right? Because with a lot of these offers, you're not just getting, you're not just getting paid for the front end, right? Meaning like the product that you see. A lot of times you're also getting paid for the back end, basically the products that they're going to be promoting later on. Once the user becomes a customer, right? There's the front end and the back end. So even though you see 50% commission here, there's a lot of interesting things happening here. So you see that you have products in the funnel, and you have average price $50, $37, $20, $30, and we're getting 50% commissions on all of them, right? And we can kind of scroll down and look at this product. We have Easy Sketch Pro Business, and they're also top 10% ranked seller. And they have a ton of products in the funnel. They have 10 products in the funnel, right? And we're getting 50% commission on all the products. So there's a lot of potential to make a lot more money. And so you have the launch date, you have the number of copies sold, you have the conversion rate, you have the earnings per click, average price, commissions, and refund percentage, right? And so there's a couple of things. Once you understand what to look for in these numbers, the next thing you want to do is you actually want to click on the offer. So let's say we want to look at, let's say we're scrolling down and we are interested in Traffic Titan 3, right? That looks fairly interesting. They are giving you 100% on the front end, right? This is kind of what got my attention. And you are getting 50% on 3 products over there. So there's 0% on one of the products and then you're getting 3%, 50% on the other 3 products. So there's an interesting kind of ratio here. You have your average price, you have the refund, everything like that. This is a premium seller. You can take a look at their endorsements, communicative responses, produces high quality products. And so what you want to do is you want to open the page, right, that their particular page on JVZoo, and take a look and learn more about it, right? So here's where you can request permission. You have to request permission. Everybody can accept it. Anybody can get accepted into JVZoo. But in order to get to promote a certain product, for the majority of products, you have to ask for permission. This is fairly common practice. In fact, with Max Bounty and other networks, it's even worse, because you have a Skype interview just to get accepted into the network. But with JVZoo, everybody can get accepted. It's just for particular offers, you have to let them know. It's just something quick. Fill out the following form to request permission to promote this product. And let me tell you what you have to say, and then we're going to talk more about it. And all you have to say is, I'm looking to promote this using my YouTube channel, or I'm looking to promote it using a website. I'm looking to promote it using paid traffic, free traffic. You have to be knowledgeable, right? You have to be a little bit knowledgeable. Not a lot of people want to work with people who don't know what they're doing. And this is why I'm making these videos, right? To tell you what to say, so that you become more knowledgeable, so that you understand what is paid traffic, free traffic, etc., etc. So you have to sound knowledgeable. You don't need to be some super affiliate who's making $10,000 a month or anything like that. You just have to be a little bit above the beginner status. And this is something. So you would basically write something. Hello, I'm looking to promote. Do you have any suggestions? Do you have any suggestions for targeting? For targeting on Facebook, right? And so by this way, when you write something like this, you are presenting yourself as somebody who wasn't born yesterday. Who's somebody who's, you don't need to be like some super affiliate, but you have to kind of, create this, you have to present yourself as somebody who's done this, at least to some extent. And this is very, very important. So do you have any suggestions for targeting on Facebook? And then you have, I have read, and then you click this and you request approval. And that's all you have to do. Now let's talk about the software. 27% list price, 100% commission. You have a vendor. This product is part of a sales funnel, which includes up to 4 other products. You have integrations. Once you're approved, you're going to have these integrations, things like that. Now, from here on, you can look at the profile of this user. You can learn more about who's selling this Memeplex Limited, last active. This is very good. Joined date fairly, more than 6 years ago. Last active fairly recently. So this is very, very good. And you want to look at the sales page, okay? Sales pages are very, very important. You want to take a look at what's the sales page about. And we just logged in and we see that nothing is happening. Okay, so this is really good. Like, this is a dead sales page, okay? And this is something you have to keep in mind. This is going to happen from time to time. And that is why you want to check out some of the other products. Let's take a look at something else. How about VideoPal? Okay, so we're going to open this one. And we're going to take a look at what this product is about. So I'm glad, we're kind of doing this, because you have to do your homework. So we're going to click on View Sales Page, and hopefully there's a real sales page here, right? And so what do we have? We have VideoPal, new revolutionary software platform to boost attention, leads, and sales. And so this is a real sales page. Look at this. It's not some short sales page that was done over some lunch break. This is a relatively comprehensive sales page that people have spent time and effort, and they also probably A/B tested it. You see, it says special 2, and they probably have a special 1 or just special or special 3. So they're creating different variations. So let's learn about this offer instead. This is VideoPal, and they were launched in 2017. Top 1% ranked seller. Let's look at the funnel. We're getting 50% off everything except one product, which is this deluxe monthly upgrade, which is 30%. They sold 9,000 copies of that. And so it's a good product. Video, right? You want to make sure, do you want to promote video? I like video personally. I really like, I think video is the future. And so this is an interesting product, software to boost. And so you can watch this video presentation. You can basically get instant access for $39 one-time payment. They have some back-end sales and things like that. So this is a cool product, right? Very, very nice comprehensive sales page. And I would not be hesitating to kind of promote this product. It's only $39. It's a one-time monthly price. It's not like a monthly fee, which a lot of people really kind of stay away from. Get instant access to VideoPal, 30-day money-back guarantee. And what else do they say? This price is only available, so they have some urgency here. So things like that. They have some testimonials. So it sounds like a cool product you want to promote. So once you basically, once you basically write what I talked about previously, that hey, I'm interested to promote it. This is you need a little bit of that affiliate marketing speak, basically. And then if it takes too long, right? Let's say you waited a day, 2 days, you're not getting any response. Contact them on their email, right? You can basically contact them on their email and say, hey, I basically, I applied to your affiliate offer, but I have not heard anything back. So let me know what's going on. So you have 50%, $39. You have integrations that you're going to see. And we saw the sales page. And once you get the link, you have to start thinking about how you're going to be promoting, right? There's a lot of ways of promoting. Here we have a diagram. We have Bing ads, Facebook, Google ads, Google display ads, YouTube ads, Google organic traffic, niche forms. There's an almost unlimited ways of promoting it. And I'm going to show you a very unique method of promoting this particular offer that I believe is going to work really, really well. And the way we're going to be promoting this offer is going to be on a site called Udemy, right? And what exactly is Udemy? Udemy is email marketing, but it is not using your own email list, right? It's basically somebody has built a list and they're allowing you to basically promote your own offers inside their own email list, right? So somebody built a targeted email list and you can basically go out, find a niche where, where your offer is, right? So this is make money online niche. This is entrepreneurship. We're going to go out and we're going to find the seller, and I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can promote it. Now, the thing about this Udemy, right, it's just one of many sites. I highly recommend it. This is a great site, and they're really great for finding sellers that are about making money online. So for instance, I have various settings I can put, right? So for instance, I can go in here and I can put marketing, right? I could put marketing and it's going to find me the sellers. It's going to list various sellers. So these sellers are promoted. If I scroll down, I'm going to see regular sellers. And let me talk a little bit about how this works. What's happening is you're basically giving them a link to your offer. This could be a link to our landing page. This could be a link to something else. But in this case, we can just give them a direct link to the offer. So once we were approved in JVZoo, we don't need to create a landing page. We don't need to do anything, right? We just need to get the link, and we basically can just go from there. And so there are a couple of things you have to understand. The first thing is you have to pick, once you click on find sellers here, you're going to be on the screen. You have various niches. We're going to pick marketing, finance, health, mobile, social, crypto. And this is kind of what they specialize in, kind of these main niches online. We're going to do marketing. And then we have various people. Now, you can also set the price. This is a price per click, right? It starts with 40 cents. It goes up to 95 cents. So, depending on how much you're willing to pay for this traffic, I'm comfortable paying 50 cents because I know I'm going to get $37 commission once I get a conversion. So we have 49 cents, we have 79 cents, 94 cents. This guy's very confident he has good traffic. And you can basically scroll down. Now, a lot of these offers, these kind of email marketing offers that you're gonna basically analyzing and looking into, you can basically look at and you can basically look at different factors. So for instance, if I click on this offer, let's say I click on this offer, I can see that it has ratings 2,378 positive, 102 negative. So that's fairly good, right? That's a fairly good ratio. That is like, that is like 4% negative or something. So 96% positive. Just a quick calculation. We have 45 percentage of ratings where buyers report sales. 45%. It's 49 cents per visitor. So every time they click, and this is tracked by this service, it's not tracked by them. You're basically you're being charged 49 cents. 20% repeat, which is fairly good, and 1 hour it takes for this person to accept their offer. And this guy's from Canada. It's legit. And you can basically order. Let's say you want to do a test run. You want to order 100. It's going to cost you $52, and I believe it includes some kind of a little commission because it should only cost you $49, right? Because it's 49 cents. But I think there's some commission or something like that. And so it's going to cost you $52. And there's also these filters, right? For your protection, this filter cannot be turned off. It saves you money by ignoring junk, useless. So they're also filtering traffic. You can also request only mobile. You can also do top tier. Top tier is USA, UK, Canada. And the price is gonna go up a little bit more, right? So it's $52. It went up to $54. It adds 2 cents per visitor. And obviously, me personally, I would only do top tier because for me it's worth it, right? There's also this prime filter. Each click will go to another round of advanced clearance with filter that is available for Prime members only. Expected quality increase 34%. It adds a little bit. So I would not really do this. I would only do top tier because I understand what top tier is. I'm not gonna, but I will test it. Like I would run one campaign without Prime filter, maybe another one with Prime filter, just to see, because I don't know, right? Does it really work? I don't know. I understand top tier works, right? Because it's very easy to tell. And then you basically submit a link, right? You can also do some ad text here if you want, but you can basically submit a link and you can add to cart, and that's all you have to do, right? So you can learn more about the seller. Average traffic geography, 96% top tier traffic, right? So 96% US, 2% Canada, and then I guess 2% from somewhere else. 9% filtered links. We have video ratings. We have seller ratings, right? You can look at their reviews. This is a really cool service, right? Because you don't need to go on Bing ads or Google ads and create campaigns and all these things, right? You don't need to do any of that. They're basically doing the work for you, right? Highest quality buyers list, 100% T1, which is tier 1, 15%, 50 clicks equals sales, 35 to 80% opt-in rate possibility. Only make money online links, right? They don't want anything else, right? They don't want health, they don't want crypto, simply because they know that it's just not going to convert with crypto, and you're going to have a kind of a bad experience. And so you can kind of take a look, right? And all you have to do is basically add to cart. You basically submit your link, click add to cart, and check out, right? And some sellers, they allow you a little bit less. Some sellers, they have a minimum of something more. I always recommend to start with the minimum. The minimum they allow, right? Basically start with the minimum, test out the traffic. If it's doing well on your back end, and this is the traffic, right? You're tracking it, of course, and I have a video on tracking gonna be above. Then you can order more traffic from this person, right? If you take a look, you have 45% of ratings where buyers report sales, and you have 20% repeat orders, which is fairly good, because if you can basically scroll through the list, you can basically learn more about their repeat, right? We have ratings, we have got sales. You can set all those parameters. You have more parameters, etc., etc. You can even put repeat orders. So if I put something like 30%, I'm gonna find other sellers and they're charging 40 cents, 57, 50 cents, right? So you can learn more about it, right? I'm just gonna reset this. And that is the way you do it. That is the way you promote this particular offer. In fact, you can promote a lot of these offers using this method. You wanna test small first. You wanna make sure you're tracking. Do not mix it with your other traffic. You wanna make sure it's coming from here. And then you can basically go out and scale the traffic, buy more traffic. You can even ask the seller for recommendations, right? If they know somebody else who has really good traffic and things like that. And so this is the way you're promoting these offers. This is a very, very special method. A lot of people do not talk about it, and it's very easy to get started because you don't need a website, you don't need a landing page, you don't need anything. You just need a link. You just need a little bit of your time. You don't need any, you don't even need to build anything, right? It's all done for you, right? And so that is all I wanted to cover in this video. And like I said before, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. I will know. I want to see 100 likes. If you like this, I'm gonna be showing you other networks, other traffic sources. And believe me, I know a ton of very, very interesting and unique traffic sources that a lot of people do not talk about. So I want to see 100 likes on this video. If you did not like it, no problem. Leave a comment. Let me know why you didn't like it so I can learn, I can figure out. If you have any questions or comments, positive or negative, constructive criticism only, obviously, leave them below. Let me know what's going on. I'm going to help you out. All right, guys? So once again, thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next video tomorrow.